What you're going to do is you're going to hop to your left, not very far, just a little slide that's barely noticeable. And as you do that, you're going to put your hands out. So your hands start open, and then they become fists. So when we're going to our left, our right hand is up, our left hand is down, our hips are facing forwards like this. Okay? And so while you're doing that, you're going to make fists, and you're going to pull. So it should look like this. Pop, pull, like that. Now we do the exact same thing on the other side. Hands are reversed. So now you're going to put your hands out this way, hips still forwards, left hand is up, right hand is down. So you're going to, and they're going to, for this one, you start in fists. So in this one, you started with open hands, pop, and then when you come here, your hands stay fists, like that, okay? So you're going to pop back this way and pull, okay? So the next part is a lot like the first one, but it has a little bit different. So we're going to go 1, 2, then hands go low, lean back, and not very big lean, just a little lean like that. Lean back, and you're going to go punch, 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 and you do 3 steps while you do it, okay? So let's break that down. So just the legs, you lean, and then 1, 2, 3, and your left leg should be up, okay? The hands are doing right, left, right, like that. Okay, so it's the same kind of slide back, but we put a little lean into it. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go into the next part. Okay, so let's do all 3 of those together. We'll do it nice and slow, and yeah, and then we'll go from there. There we go. Back, back, lean. 1, 2, 3, and then we go to the next part. Okay. All right, it's still recording. Good. All right. So the next part. So we've gone lean. 1, 2, 3, left leg's up, comes over, step down. You're in kind of like a bad horse stance. So you're double shoulder, double hip length apart, and you're going to put your left hand up, your right hand comes, your head does a little pop, like that. Kind of like you're dodging a punch, then it comes out, and then you dodge a punch to your core. Okay? So from here, lean, 1, 2, 3, come up, hand out, head, stomach, and then from here, hands go out and your feet go out. Your legs are really wide for this. Make sure you don't have them in too close. Legs are out, and then your hands and feet come in together. Okay? The next part gets a little tricky. It's very quick. None of these movements are very hard. They're just rather quick. So as long as you practice it, you'll get it. So from here, you're going to come up onto your left foot, and your shoulders and hips are facing to the left, and you're going to do 1, 2, 3, come up onto this side, and then from here, you're going to drop. So it's not really, you're not jumping. From here, it is a drop, and you put your hands out like this, like you're trying to steady yourself on something, like a table or a rail or something. From here, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, popping your shoulders. So it just looks like this. And as you're doing that, you're leaning forward slightly. On the 4th pop, you're going to fall like this, and you keep your hands out, and you're going to come back to where you were. This part's kind of a hard part. You come back like this, clap your hands, and you land in a kind of that bad horse stance that we were doing earlier. So you clap your hands from right hand up, left hand down. They clap in the air, and then you're going to do a second jump. And the second jump, your hands are going to go up, down, and then sideways, like that. All right, we'll do that. Let's do it all together. Let's just do that part. So, falling down, drop, clap, here, okay? From here, your hands are going to circle over and then go down. Step left, right very quickly. Then right hand comes to your head like someone's talking to you, you're trying to hear what they're saying. Then someone's speaking on your left side. And then rock out, and you're going to make little L's or horns with your fingers. So you're going to pulse with your head, and you alternate hands 4 times. Okay? that's a lot of stuff. Let's put it all together, and we'll go from there. Okay. So continuing from, so we just did the 3 pops. So let's get ready, and here we go. So 1, 2, 3. Foot comes up, head, stomach, out, in, pop. 1, 2, 3. Drop. 1, 2, 3. Fall. Clap. 1, 2, 3. Over. Come around. Down. Step, step. Head, head. Rock. And popping like that. Okay? So now we're going to add on to the next part. This part is actually all the hardest part you've done. That part right there is the hardest part. This is way easier. So you've just been pulsing like this. So you do 4 of them. And then you're going to drop here like this. I don't know what to call this. This is kind of, like a butterfly. You're about to do butterfly maybe. It's kind of the stances the body is. Alright, so from here, what are you going to do? You're going to come up and you're going to dab with one arm to your left shoulder with your right arm. Down, dab with your left hand to your right shoulder. And one last time, dab to your left. Other arm comes over. And you're going to jump up, facing to your left. And you're kind of in a bad cat stance, like this. You have one foot and you're on your toes like that. And you're just going to do a little wave with your arm. Way up, like that, and do 2 pops. Okay? So, wave like that, and 2 pops, and then you jump, and that's it. Alright, we're going to go into 70, 80, 90, 100% speed.